Today we will talk about what is Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools. It allows users to create and edit spreadsheets that contain data organized rows and columns. Spreadsheets can be used for a variety of purposes, such as tracking expenses, creating budgets, and storing and organizing data.
Excel offers a range of features that make it easy to work with data. These include the ability to perform calculations using formulas, create charts and graphs to visualize data, and use formatting
and layout options to make spreadsheets look professional and organized. Excel is available as a standalone program that can be installed on a computer or as a part of an Office subscription. It is available for Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like and comment on the video if you like the video.